Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank, Mech is the man behind the camera, and in today's video, we are super stoked to announce to you guys our new big project. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any content from Tank Garage. Like you guys saw in the thumbnail, we bought a 1981 Volvo 244 GL. We are super stoked about this project, guys, because we've been looking all over the place to find a really nice project. All right, we've made you guys wait long enough. Let me introduce our 1981 Volvo 244.
Drive it in motion, motion, feeling like I'm frozen, frozen. I just tryna keep it rolling, rolling. Got me feeling like I'm frozen, feeling like I'm frozen. Drive it in motion, motion, feeling like I'm frozen, frozen. I just tryna keep it rolling, rolling. Got me feeling like I'm frozen, feeling like I'm frozen. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got me feeling froze right now. Put me in the box where I should blow right now. I try to give it all right now, yeah. Fucking up a spot where we blasting, running down and past it. I gotta fuck my cash then, do it outside. Cause my balls got me mad rich, fucking 22. Got it best, yeah, it's fuck. Shorty go down and she down, make me love you. Try to give it all. Drive it in motion, motion, feeling like I'm frozen, frozen. I just tryna keep it rolling, rolling. Got me feeling like I'm frozen, feeling like I'm frozen. Drive it in motion, motion, feeling like I'm frozen, frozen. I just tryna keep it rolling.
Alright guys, so this is it, our 1981 Volvo 244 GL. We couldn't be more happy and excited about the future projects we have on this car. You guys will get to know us more with the future videos that we're going to post. We are huge Volvo fanatics, and we really want to bring back the joy of modifying and building and restoring these cars to a whole nother level on the YouTube. This Volvo right here, the 244, is going to be a crazy build. We are doing a complete restoration from A to Z. Paint, body work. We're probably going to experiment with some wide body kits and possibility to roll the fenders and stuff like that. It's going to be an absolute sleeper and you guys will love it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification. See you boys.